Good morning. It is 7:26. Looks pretty dark in here. All right, here's what you need for oatmeal. To fill this up with 1 cup and 3/4. Oatmeal, the ratio is roughly 2 to 1. This is the man's way to make oatmeal right here. Coffee needs to be made at 2 tablespoons per cup, just about. For 4 minutes. There we go. That out, beautiful. 1 tablespoon is good. Now we're gonna push down on our lovely French press. You know, right about like 20 seconds left. Throw some frozen berries in there. So now we're gonna put the chair together. This is Emma's chair. Awesome chair. Here we go. Goat yogurt. Here we go, we got breakfast. This is a fast meal. We did this in like 10 minutes. 5 minutes to cook. Clap. Wait a little bit more for those. All done, all done, all done. All right. Whoa, to go to the bedroom. Welcome to the spa of Dad, which he loves to like drink the water. Look at this. All right. Towel, like this. Cuddly bug, cuddly bug, cuddly buggity, buggity bug, cuddly bug, cuddly bug. Cuddly, cuddly bug. Roll the sleeves so you can play with your toys. Clap, clap, clap. Lap, lap, lap. This is the cleaning side here.
So you didn't see me in the morning shots because the way we have our schedule, I work in the morning, so I work from 6 to 11:30, and then I take care of Emma in the afternoon. So she does breakfast, and then I do lunch and dinner, and I just have my second cup of coffee. And now Emma's occupational therapist, Karen, she's gonna be here in about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go work. Get stuff done till lunch. See you at lunch. Right. Okay, so this is our lunch. We have chicken that I made yesterday. Again, I used Joanna Gaines' recipe. So yeah, I just already had the cauliflower rice I made in, I don't know, like 2 minutes. And then we have salad, we have hummus. Okay, so I was gonna say, every time I make like a carb, like rice or quinoa or in this case cauliflower rice, I try to put as many like vegetables in it as possible. Like right now I put bell peppers and carrots.
My verdict is that I really like Nico's cooking in general. Especially when we're cooking healthy, like Nico really knows how to cook healthy. Like I would never have been caught dead with cauliflower rice. I'm a typical Texas boy, and so you know I'm always afraid it's not gonna be hearty enough or not like enough food, but I always feel better when I have like, you know, cauliflower rice or something like healthy, and whenever we eat healthy, like my weight is perfect. When I'm up to my own devices, I like to go get myself a burger or, you know, get like Chipotle with a bunch of rice, which actually Chipotle has cauliflower rice now, but still it's the tortilla and, you know, extra sour cream and just large portions.
Okay, so for dinner, I'm making a salmon curry from Minimalist Baker with some rice, and it's boiling. So I'm gonna turn it on low and simmer it for, I think like 45 minutes. There we go, so that's simmering. And then I'm going to chop up the veggies to saute. So I'll do some peppers, onion, garlic, and ginger. And then afterwards, I'm gonna add the coconut milk and then salmon in the end, the last maybe like 7 minutes or so. And voila, that's our curry. Oh, and I'm gonna, at the last minute too, I'm gonna add some greens. I think either kale or spinach, whatever we have. Probably not.
Really don't want.
This ginger is super dry. Just saying, people are gonna be like, what's with the sad ginger? Okay, and then I'm gonna like grate it. I think that's all I need. Yes? Okay, and now last step is onions. Ta-da! Okay, good enough. All right, you ready to finish the recipe? We like spicy food, but because of Emma, I'm gonna substitute red curry paste for plain tomato sauce. I didn't expect it to be turmeric ginger, but they didn't usually get the canned coconut milk. This one has turmeric and ginger in it. Anyway, let's see how it tastes. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. What do I need? Some pepper. Okay, so because I didn't use the red curry paste, I'm using the curry seasoning. It's not as spicy, so I'm adding this to taste it more like curry. All right, 1. Make some room. And now we wait about 7 minutes maybe.